Okay, I have written a three-part series um, for business owners to get acquainted with AI, and so that you can actually prepare yourself for 2026. All right. So part one talks about your why and how you need to start rethinking your why for your business. Why is this important? um, AI has become so smart in terms of meeting buyers where they're at in their different journeys and trying to find out answers to their questions. In fact, it's actually called the answer engine optimization era because AI is so smart and it's tackling just about any question. And so your value has kind of changed. It hasn't gone away, but it has changed in terms of what is your value proposition now. So, for example, if you're a recruiter, right? If you're a recruiter and you are hiring and headhunting new people for a company, what is your value when you go to market now as a headhunter in terms of fitting in with someone's culture that is AI, that there is AI there, and are you going to say no, I'm anti AI, or how are you actually going to present yourself as a recruiter who is able to understand the world of AI, right? But how to search and seek talent, and what is your why as a recruiter out there in terms of helping companies with the project of finding human talent. So we've got hashtag team human and hashtag team AI now to think about. So if you go into my website, which is iffelinternational.com, you are going to actually see a three-part series there. And the first one talks about how to reframe and rewire your why. I'll give you another example. If you're a doctor, there are going to be more than just Google doctors out there now because your patients are going to come in informed, especially the ones that got and do their research. They're going to come in informed. They're going to come in very clued up on things. And because you've been recommended by ChatGPT or Claude, let's face it, Google is still a very important search engine. Google AI mode is still very well used. Um, it's just that, consumers and buyers are now going on all platforms and they verify. They verify on ChatGPT, they verify on Google AI mode, and then they might not make the final decision until they get on Claude. So we just don't know how people are searching, but we as a user are empowered to really have answers at our fingertips now. So reframe your why, understand your goals as a company, and what your brand stands for. So that's part one. Subscribe here to listen to what part two is going to be about. I'll be back soon.